Saban Films presents. So ubundi bisinabisomye ndabisubiramo ibyiki. Kyegaruye. Blowback ni filime. Tangira hakuno umugezi wari utwaye Randy Couture n'umucikwe. Mukinnyi w'imena Randy Couture. Utwaye aratware ko natwaye neza. Louis na Chris n'abakinnyi bandi b'imena. Utwaye ipine ryapfumutse. Yatobokeje umugabo arimo arava amaraso menshi. Mbanza yarashwe tu. Nimba atari accident. Kumbuka atwaye hanafite akangunga kakora umushoferi. Modoka aratwara manza mvuga adakora neza. Hakurya hakuno. Filime yarukutangiye. Ntago ari mu cyerekezo kimwe. Ntago ameze neza mister. Ko yakaje. Tayari akomeza imbere. Ameze nabi. Mugabo ararembye ntareba neza uyene yajya. Nazamura umutwe ariko manza ari mfite ibizunga mukuntu. Polisi mucaho. Polisi yakamuciyeho. Mugabo ameze nabi. Asaya mu gitondo. Polisi kubita return U-turn baramukurikira. Ntago umuntu twaye gukemeze gute byanga byakunda afite ikibazo. Ageze afata feri cyari imwe imodoka imuzimiraho. Kubita umutwe kuri vora. Imodoka ikomeza ivuza ihoni. Umupolisi avayo. Nyakubahwa.
Sir, can you hear me?
Ye nyakubahwa uranyumva? Imodoka irimo yavuza amahoni.
Control 2 Adam 3.
Umva kabiri Adam gatatu. Umva dukeneye ubuvuzi bwihutirwa. Hari umuntu arashwe mu rutugu rw'ibumoso. Left shoulder. Ibwatinze. Badusubiza inyuma iminsi mikeya. Hakuno kwa muganga hari urwaye. Nakana gatoya. Barakari kwa mugabo twatangiye araswa yarafite kwana kwa muganga mugenza rwaje. Barimo barakina ka chess.
You sure about that?
Papa uri sure ibyo ukinnye cyane gutsinda. Barakina. Ngo neki urantsinze?
That's 2 out of 3.
Yeah. Nabiri kuri batatu.
You are a winner.
Urantsinze kuri inshuro.
Then why am I here?
Uzino tugaruka mpamvu ndi hano.
Dad,
Papa,
I want to go home.
ndashaka gutaha. Kana gararwaye kararembye.
I know.
Ndabizi.
I'm sorry.
Mwana ndabizi ari kumuhangana.
It's gonna be okay.
Ibintu biraza kumera neza uraza gutaha.
I'm going to be okay.
Papa bizamera ryari neza ko. Buri munsi uramwa unihangana.
Right now, this is
Nonaha
where you have to be.
niko bigomba kumera ugomba guma mu bitaro.
Here until you get better.
Mpaka umunsi umuganga azakubwira kumeze neza.
It's not going to work.
Papa ntago bizakunda.
Don't you get it?
Ntago byumva.
Working on it.
Ndimo ndabyitaho.
Can't stop things from happening.
Stop.
Ntago twabihagarika papa.
You can't save me.
Ntago wantabara. Mwana sinza rwaye iki.
You weren't there for Mom when she needed you.
Wari uhari mu bwoma yaragukeneye.
Stop it.
Mwana wanjye bereke ibyo ngibyo.
What exactly do
Bazi umwana se na nyina barashwanye.
my fault that she's gone?
Mama nifata nkaho yagiye yadutaye nakundi. Tuza rero nzakwitaho kandi ibintu uzabikora. Mama niba yaragiye sinshaka kubona n'umukobwa wanjye. Ndashaka nkugume hafi.
Dad, just leave.
Papa ngaho genda. Niba udashaka na mama ngaho genda. Ntago ni bucika intege. I'm not giving up.
There are other treatments.
Hari indi miti Emma.
Please, leave.
Papa va hano genda.
I'll be
Iyo utangiye kumwamba mama mwana atandukanye ushaka no kumwumva. Hari ibyo utagomba kubwira umwana mu gihe yirwariye. Emma,
Please, do not give up on me.
mwana ntukizere ko nacitse intege. Kandi nanjye ntukanci intege.
go.
Papa ndarushye ngaho genda. Humura nzakora ibishoboka mwana wanjye kandi uzavana uri muzima. Kana kararwaye mu rugo ubukeneye bwose. Kana nikameze neza. umugabo arahaguruka.
Excuse me,
Ye nyangarira.
Mr. Gibson.
Yakuba Gibson. Kira hakuno. Sawa sawa.
I will have your money. I promise.
Amafaranga yanyu nzayabazanira kandi abasezeranye.
Stay as long as she wants.
Umva umwana ashaka kuvurwa neza kandi ndacakeneye indi miti. Mwicire ne ya mbere. Ubukene burahari mu rugo. Afaranga nakibura. Tugaruka kuno kuri Vegas Valley Banks. Harabari. Wa musore Munyezi Gibson niho yaje. Haruwazaga. Aratangira.
It's there. Saw a couple of Valenti's guys in there this morning.
Bazi uyu musore abasore ba Valentine. Valentines nako. Sure.
A guy named Cameron, their lawyer.
Bafite umwavoka wabo witwa
They
Cameron.
insured it for a lot of money.
Yishyurwa amafaranga
The
benshi.
one who arranged the insurance.
Yishyura na silence ihambaye. Kuba manager ya banka nayo au inywera bibimoji. Ntibisanzwe da.
Seed phrases in there with the thumb drives. Better.
No gutuza mu gihe utwaye nawe namvye ukoresha ibiyobyabwenge.
Why's that? Days.
Kananga depoje umugabo arikomereza. Ni Gibson. Haraho yaje. Handitse Combine. Las Vegas. Yitonze ni ku kajimu kamwe ahantu hamwe. Amafaranga nayibura. Zakuno kuri Gym tonic. Myitozo buhari. Bitonze. Kumbe araho yaje kureba. Bitenik.
So you own this place?
Hano nahawe.
More or less.
Cyane cyangwa gake.
You can sign up for an annual contract. Or monthly.
Hano ngira contract y'umwaka cyangwa kwezi.
But that means you have to make a commitment.
Niko bimeze.
Funny. But that was a long time ago.
Cyari gihe kinini nayiruka muri gym. Hakuno madamu baratandukanye ariko kiza cy'abazungu namwe aratandukanye babuza guhura mukubitana amasafuri. Reka. Muraganira kuba mwaratandukanye. Byo nta gitangaza kirimo. Fa kwa umwana akomeje ubuzima bwe. Bazakuno kuganiramo. Bafitanye umwana ari mu bitaro umugabo nta mafaranga afite.
So,
None.
you think Jack would be interested in this?
Uracheka Jack umugabo wari ubyishimire?
I mean, it's $500,000 for Jack.
Ndavuga 500 bya Jack.
More for your guys,
Nandi yanyu.
I guess. And
Ndacheka na yawe.
do this without a crew.
Ako wabwa na crew. Jeza konja kubona ariko nawe.
You doing this for Emma?
Bari muri bikora umwana wawe Emma. Cyane.
There's an experimental procedure in LA.
Ndabizi nk'umuntu wabaye muri LA Los Angeles.
All right, so.
Ndabizi na insurance ntabwo yamuvuza kandi akeneye kuvurwa. Mbabarire.
I'll see what I can do.
Ndareba icyo nakora nanjye. Nimbona udufaranga ndakongerera uvuza umwana wacu. Gusa hari akazi ngo bafitanye. Sinzi ni kazi bwoko ki. Ibi ni byabaye mbere yuko tubona uyu musore Nick Gibson yarashwe mu rutugu.
Funny, huh?
Birasekeje. Isaha uracyayibuka. Banza yariye.
Where did you find it?
Wayikuye bana?
Figure you'd want it back.
Nari nzi ko ukikeneye. Nari narayibitse. Ibintu byahise ntabwo ari ngombwa kuyima. Saha arayisiga. Kandi urakoze. Yifite ni mu boyfriend, umugabo we baratandukanye. Aratangira. Ageze aha arakomeza. Kombo usigare nyiri umugore nawe arinjira. Rendi kuca amazina nyakuri. Bararebana. bitwaye iki kuba mwarakundanye yaratangira afite ikibazo cy'umwana urwaye ntazi amafaranga arava he 50 grands 500 nako yoko yakinjiye
Business is slow, but I'm making my payments. You'll get your money.
umva business imagenda buhoro raga amafaranga yo kwishyura araboneka ariko araza kuyabona umugabo nawe nyiri gym ariko umugore araza agakodesha arangije
It's 100K.
ibihumbi ijana
That's right.
ndakuraho 10 nacyo
There is a way I could get you a bigger payment.
hari uburyo nakubonera amafaranga yawe menshi
I have a connection to a job.
hari ahantu ufite connection y'akazi
Only if it means I'm out of our deal.
ariko usanga ashaka kunkura muri iyi deal
Okay? Paid in full.
ndashaka nkwishyure yose sheri umu igisi wawe yaraje no kumara iki bajya kuri gatana komana yatani uyu hakuno nta jobu kwicara bara amasaha nta kindi gusa ngo hari diro bagomba guturitsa bakabonamo ibiceri bihagije sinzi ni diro ubwoko ki ya telefoni karasona
Hey, Jim.
yego Jim
Yeah, no, I got your message.
nabonye ubutumwa bwawe
Really?
cyane
That can't be right. I'm pretty sure I already sent the check in.
umva humana naza kubanza uko bimeze ariko nta kibazo
Right, yeah, no, I will, I'll look into it
ndaza kubyitaho I look into it
as soon as I can.
ndakusubiza mu nyuma uko byihuse sinzi ni diro ubwoko cyarimo arakina kuri ya Jim nijoro hari abateguye amabunda
Until the bank manager leaves.
turaza kwinjira muri bank manager agisohoka bashaka kwiba banki
For us, every weekday at 2:30, she leaves to pick up her kid from school.
uyu mugabo bank manager buri kwa kangahe wa gatandatu saa 8:30
Okay?
ajya gutora umwana ku ishuri
No, right here. 2:30.
turaca mu muryango w'inyuma
20 minutes.
minota 20
It's everyone inside. You'll need my contact.
umva mwese barajya bindani mbona mukeneye ko mbahamagara gusa
This is Ryan.
uyu ni Ryan
He's the assistant branch manager.
uyu ni assistant brand manager niwe wungirije manager
Have the keys to the boxes and the vault.
afite imfunguzo zigomba gufungura vaults n'amakarito abikwamo ibintu by'abaturage
Now,
kufuri foro
you can push him around a little.
mwamushyira ku ruhande akanya gato
A little.
akanya gato
It's just for show.
kugira dukanga abantu
We do that if he's your contact.
kubera ko muvuzeranye se
The idea here is to make this look like a messy amateur.
umva mwijya guterana amagambo cyangwa ikindi icyo tubaza hano ni business turimo turaganiraho kuba baziranye bamaze
Thank you.
murakoze
When you
ikindi
have his keys, you can get the boxes open.
tumukoye imfunguzo uyu assistant branding manager branch manager twabona uburyo ki twafungura box course dukarito turimo amafaranga amashanete amazabu ibintu nk'ibyo tugakokora tugacaho
Having the customer's keys as well, correct?
ari niyo abafite imfunguzo za bakastoma
Need keys.
umvanye amakarito nzi kuyasetsa niyo nawe mfite urufunguzo
Won't be pretty, but I can get them open.
I can get them open nafungura ngiye buri kufure foro yose bafitemo bafite za master key
The better, right?
sawa
You want to focus on the larger boxes, right? On the left side of the wall here.
hano ku ruhande dufitemo ikarito nini cyane
Box 23.
ikarito 23 nimuyigiraho
That is our box.
iyo niyo karito dukeneye cyane cyane harimo umuzigo uhambaye
And inside, you will find this briefcase.
iyo briefcase irimo indani niyo dukeneye cyane cyane niyo iri mu ikarito ya 23
Many boxes as you can.
amakarito muyatware mukure amafaranga muyarye nta kibazo ariko iyo karito atagira umuntu uyikuraho
Whatever's in the other boxes and whatever cash is in the vault, that's all yours.
amafaranga abasore mwibe byose mubyibe nta kibazo yaba ari muri kufure foro mu makarito yandi muyatware ariko iyi varisi numbaze ngo varisi harimo iki nawe numbaze
So what's in that case?
none harimo iki
None of your fucking business.
ntabwo bikureba witubaza
Plenty of cash in the vault and the other.
mutware amafaranga ari muri kufure foro n'ahandi hose n'amazahabu ariko urimo uragira umuntu ukora kuri iriya karito bivuze ko ikarito ifite agaciro gahambaye
Who's this mousy little freak?
ntabwo byumvikana neza
This is Xander.
uyu yitwa Zanda
Remote.
uyu we ni telekomande yacu
Cameras.
azi kontrola amakamera ahantu hose ku buryo yayobya na polisi polisi bakataka banki bazi ko ariyo yateye bagasanga ahubwo bibeshye.
Running this job, Jack? Or is he?
Nende yabaye akazi wibaza byinshi wa muswa we.
You listen to me.
Umva nyumva neza.
Running this job.
Ni jyewe uyoboye aka kazi. I'm running this job.
Tell you because I don't have time to.
Ntagiye mfite cyo kubwira ubusa ukora ibyo mubwiye nta kindi.
I'm running you.
Uranyumva neza umuswa gusa. Bagiye gukora banki ku manywa y'ihangu. Mabandara.
Looking for that case.
Abantu benshi bashaka iyo case irimo indani. Mwebwe rero.
Really hurting people. The cops are gonna take a key.
Nta mpamvu yuko mubabaza abaturage polisi abyivangamo cyane.
It's just heat we don't need.
Nta kintu dukeneye.
Better look at it. Sometimes things happen in there.
Hari iberamo indani nta kibazo.
Not this time.
Ntabwo ari kuri inshuro nakubabaza umuturage. Atagira umuntu murasa, atagira umukubita, mukora akazi, musohoke mwigendere. Nitutagira umuntu ukomeretsa polisi nizakurikirana ikirego cyane. Ariko ni mu gihe yagira umuntu apfira cyangwa agakomereka nibwo polisi izadukurikirana iperereza rigakomera.
We do this right. There's a
turabikora gutyo kandi.
Everyone gets their share.
Buri muntu afata umugabane we nta bindi.
Okay.
Sawa. Sawa, we cool. Sawa sawa. Twizere ko ari akazi. Bano bona briefcase nakwikoraho.
That's crap.
Mwanda.
How much you think Jack's get?
Hasi ubundi bari asinze barafata mangaye.
How much to take is?
Sindakora akazi nkaka.
Feel right.
Mani mwari bashaka manzi henze. Bamanaga ariko ntibabitindaho. Hakuno bano biteguye akazi. Na wa mukobwa madamu wuyu. Nako yahoze ari madamu baratandukanye. Zana na warasigara.
Don't worry about him.
No mugire ikibazo. Sibyo?
His dad looked after me in prison and so
Ise yanyitayeho ndi muri gereza. Nawe mwizemera ko ni nahanza nzita ku muhungu we. Zanda niwe rwose niyo mpamvu mwizera cyane.
He's got skill.
Afite ubuhanga. Ikaza ndakarani kahaka.
Yeah.
Abonye umuntu wakoreje cyane.
5 days is a long time, really low, before we make the sale.
We tuzacuruza nyuma yaho.
Exchanges person to person.
Muzahinduranye umuntu ku muntu.
The date and time with the buyer, change it now, that would just be...
Nah.
Hoya.
Leave it.
Gihorere.
But I'm gonna need some insurance, so things fly.
Assurance nzayishyura nimugira ikibazo.
No problem.
Nta kibazo. Rero ni mu gitondo kwiba. Nibwatinze buracya. Hari waje hakuno ku musozi yitonze. Ni Zanda. Aza ku munara. We, mwitegure. Hano hari amakamera ya banki ebyiri zitandukanye arimo arakurura.
2:30.
Nibwatinze baracungira hafi.
Bingo. There she is.
Uriya nayo twari dukeneye. There she is.
Right on time.
Asohokeye ku gihe.
Xander?
Zanda.
Start the feed.
Tangira uyobye za kamera. Polisi babone kamera zitari izo banki twinjiyemo.
Feed starting in 3.
Twinjiye muri Prompirere ubereke Sebeka.
1.
Yeah, copy that.
Nabahinduriye polisi barimo arabona banki mutagiye kwinjiramo. Ayo mwinjira mu mwisanzuye nitonze hatagira n'ikibakanga. Hano hari abashaka briefcase iri muri box. Abandi bababwiye bati mwebwe muri bariko mutwara amazahabu imiringa ibintu byose bihenze bibise banki bitse ariko iyo Bavaris atagira uyikoraho. Mwese chini ahulenzi get down. Mufungura umuryango sha. Fungura umuryango manager nayo bahereyeho bakanga. Nesi mitwe hasi. Mufunge ibintu mwetsakuza. Bajura bazi ko kamera bazikuyeho nta kibakanga nta nubwo abafite. Dore kuri polisi barimo arabona banki itatatswe. Yewe we. Ingia ndani we. Toka nje. Soka nawe. Tayari. Ndeze bandi babigize umwuga we. Uve kubina bibe hene n'amani nkoko abandi nuguhagurukira amadolari amafaranga afatika.
Where's the key?
Imfunguzo ziri.
They won't work.
Ntago zikora imfunguzo. Ziba munwa. Ntago zikora iki?
Give me the keys.
Saka imfunguzo. Hatagira uva hari. Omana nari mvuye no gusenga mbere cyafite Bibiliya wamaze. Barangije. Yaza hakuno. Zanye nyundo. Tobora diske. atagira disk isigaraho amashusho agaragaza yuko hari ababandi y'ibyo banka nta kimenyetso basiga inyuma. Ubu disk dealer aragenda arabutobagura.
Back in the lobby with the rest of them. Go! Manager's coming out!
Manager arimo arasohoka. Cheni ya ulinzi, get down. Nawe hasi nk'abandi bose. Tagira uva hari usabwa mu mutwe nabe nagahanga. Uyo kureba abona polisi zerekeje ku yindi banke itari yo barimo. Batangira gufusetsa.
Box 23.
Tayari. Nyibuke Vault 23. Dore yavarisi bashakaga. Abandi mwemerewe amafaranga amaza habo babitsemo hamwe bagwa ku mashaneti. Dore amadolari barapakira. We ndeba wa muswa we. Baracyasetsa. Madolari amadiyama. Kumbe dore mama polisi aho yayohereje. Polisi iza yihuta. Bazanye na SWAT. Baracyapakira ikoca. Pakira urufito. Aya n'umwuzukuru azayaryaho tu. Mwana mugira vamu mwana polisi irimo iraza wangu. Fata briefcase barayifata. Baratangira. Tujyana. Mudamu araha. Veronica niwe ugiye kubatwara. Wese atagira uzamuka wangu. Kano bakabuje kureba. Nakubwe umutwasi ngumene. Manager, pick up.
Hey.
Gwenano. Hagara kose. Assistant manager niyo bafite. Police.
Hey, what the hell, man?
Neji mwana.
We're all set.
Man, twari muri gahunda.
Yo, hey, what is this?
Tayari bank manager baramwana yari mu bagambaniye bank. Hey. Yaraye muri diru kumbe bare babigambanye nawe. Tayari.
What the hell were you doing in there?
Barakora imishinanira. Wari warutegereje iki? Baratangira. Tayari bisa nk'aho ubwabo. Polisi yinjiye hakuno basanga banki baje ngo baragize baratabara ntiyatewe na rimwe. Turikinze. Barabayobeje. Hey, niko muzamenya Zan man. Zan akita Zan. Tayari. Aya turayariye wangu. Hey. Ibi byose nibyo turimo turibuka. Wa musore mbere yuko arasuka mu rutugu. Mwana ni fresh. Nta muntu ukurikiye. Gafaranga karabonetse. Nibyo mani turariye ashobora kutugaruka ntawe ubizi ariko tuyatware kakara kubereye mwana uhita ukambara. Tayari.
I could have done that.
Yana ni hatari ni keza za kuri kufure foro nako kuri ya briefcase harimo amadiski indani.
You guys knew the deal.
Guys mwari muzi gahunda.
Keep your cash, whatever else you
Mutwara amafaranga n'ibindi za diamond n'amazahabu ariko umuntu murebe briefcase akuramo disk deal imwe.
500 grand on that thing.
Ibyo ni 500 by'amagrand. No yaburi. Sawa wangu.
All right, we'll stick with the plan.
Bani twagumye ku mupango wangu.
Running around like idiots.
Hedupfa kugenda nk'abaswa.
A few days, we all get our cut. All right?
Nyuma y'iminsi mike buri umwe azabona umugabane we.
Cool.
Turumvikanye.
Taste.
Akira wa ya mbere. Tangira kubagabagabanya gace gace. Yo mana amafaranga arahumura nji. Shaka kuvuza agakobwa ke. Geze hano mukajorojoro buri umwe no gufata imodoka ye acukwe. Pinda barikoreye. Ntakazi katagutunga cyari kagakoranya ubwenge buke. kazi karakorwa ko bakaje tayari bose buri umwe n'ibye yakuramo gitaburiya nakora usurubeti sorry barerekera bararebana n'umu egisi sawa tuko pamoja rangije kugira gutya abona bamutoboreye ipine binikira akiraho mugenzi we baya masaza bari mu rutugu cya briefcase hasi kivayo bavuye kwiba hamwe baramusinicinga baracyamuha gwa munsi y'agasozi gatoya reba wangu bazana agatoroshi nako nikamurika cyane yaguye ahantu mu kantu k'agakingo mani tugende batatu bagenzi be bamugambaniye tayari mani mupoweje mani tugende niyo boro manzi irimo imari nayo tuzabivumbura mu nyuma barasyanza abaturage batangiye guhurura bikoza mu kimodoka cya Chevrolet baratangira Chevrolet umugabo uko bakamuhaye mu rutugu bw'ibumoso ayiwe meze nabi iyo kagakangutse mu gitondo yiriwe mu kazi kindi yankurye n'umunaniro wose ko yagahwereye zayisunikiriza ntameze neza aho no filime ubwo yagahwereye aho no twaboneye mugenza ikubita umutwe ku modoka polisi amutabariza nyakuba uranyumva ntibwatinze bamuzana kwa muganga
There was cops already here, right?
Hanacyo nibuka nuko ari umupolisi.
Everything that I knew.
Yewe namubwiye ibyo narinzi byose.
Mr. Thompson.
Bakwita Nyakuba Thompson.
Like I said.
Uko navuze.
What I had.
Nari.
I had a flat and that's the one.
Impine ryanjye ryari yapfumutse. Natobokesheje.
That's it. That's all I remember.
Ibyo nibyo nibuka.
All right.
Sawa.
Feel free to call us if any details come to mind.
Niba ugira icyo wibuka uduhamagare rwose telefone yacu ni ubuntu. Free calls. Sawa sawa. Na polisi ari muri investigation. Ariko ntameze neza.
He's hiding something.
Banzari cyahisha.
The drives are scammers anyway, you know.
None se yabamurasiye modoka gutyo gusa twaye.
Only for the strip clubs bringing them.
Kasanga ni byangu yatubwiye atari byo. Ari bihimbano.
Hold on.
Baretse gato.
Hey, Reed.
Yego ready. Nikupa.
Yeah, do me a favor.
Ndanyiri kimfasha. Yaza hakuno baganga baracyahari.
Hey.
Yewe.
Okay.
Meze neza.
Use the bathroom.
Nakoresha ubwiherero.
Hang on to this.
Nagufasha.
Yeah.
Yego.
Actually, I think I can manage from here.
Yeah, hano nditwaza nta kibazo. Meze neza nta kibazo nditwaza.
If you know what I mean.
Ko yakitwaje. Akuna arebere muri swimming pool. Nayo twa disk rimwe. Randy kucha maza na Nyakuri. hakuna madamu nayo yinywera bya kokayine. Mugabo nawe
Shit's gonna make you stupid.
No busca wan. Telefone irasona.
Told you not to call.
Nakubwiye unumamagare.
Every time we talk to each other, it's the risk we don't need.
Umva nujya umamagara nukamagara ibya risk.
About Nick.
Numvise byabaye kuri Nick.
If they found his body, he'd be out by now.
Umubiri wese uri. Nick nawe barashe ijoro ryashize.
You sure? You don't sound sure.
Umva kumbwira ngo wamurashe nkaho utari sure.
Then what?
Niki?
That wasn't part of the agreement.
Ibyo ntabwo byari byo twumvikanye.
50K to do Nick.
Nagwaye $50 kugira ngo uce Nick ni $50 z'amanyarwanda.
You don't get paid till I sell the case.
Nakubwiye ngo umurase umunuzanire iyo case. Tuyigurishe.
What are you saying, Jerry?
Jerry, siko twumvikanye?
Doubt? Is that a threat?
Uri muri ankangase?
Better think about how you answer.
Igisubizo nakimenya mu kanya.
I have the leverage, Jack.
Mfite ibyo mushaka.
Either you get me the money or I'm not showing up.
Nuta amafaranga nanjye nakumenya aho merereye.
You're gonna screw this whole deal.
Ushaka kwanza gahunda yose.
The buyer is ready.
Umuguzi ariteguye.
I can do about that.
Icyo nabikoraho.
Guaranteed money.
Aho ufite amafaranga wizewe.
Nick share.
Ndashaka umugabane wa Nick twara uwumpe.
And that's it.
Ibyo ko mu 50 ntabwo mbyemera mu mugabane wa Nick.
I will text you when it's time to get your cash.
Ndakwandikira igihe cyo gufata amafaranga cyawe n'ikigero. Kiramukupa.
Hello?
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 Hello? Sasa watangiye gushwana barashaka bafatemo umugabane wa Nick. Abaro Jerry afata. Amagara bandi. Willis.
I need you to do me a favor.
Ndashaka kumfasha. Kumboye nawe kwa muganga maze ashaka kwacika. Ntabandi ribiri siri mu bamfatire mu bitaro nyirwaye. Yitonze. Aza hakuno. Akuramo dukweto twe. Myenda yuzuye amaraso. Banamo ikofiye. Ko yagasohotse. Abapolisi bambazaga baracyavugana n'umuganga. Akomeza imbere. Gitonze. Komeje imbere. Ndakomanga. Tayari ndani hakuno. Iyo bafuza babika imyenda. Aba bafuriye. Myenda y'abaganga. Hakurya arakaforo mu kazi gahari. Fata imyenda y'abakozi hakuno. Y'abakirina. Kumbe Willis. Aza hakuno kwa muganga. Uyasohoka. Kana kuri esanseri. Kumbe jensi kimwe cyari gitwere ejo bamurasa. Ngiki kinjira mu bitaro. Ikizwa baraje atapfuye. Ndani.
Can I help you?
Nagufasha?
Yeah.
Ego.
Confirm the Gibsons are gone.
Ndashaka cyumba Emma Gibson yarimo.
You a relative?
Kakana ka Gibson.
No, friend of the family.
Ndi inshuti y'umuryango.
Oh, I'm sorry, sir.
Wihangane.
Visitors?
Nta bashyitsi babemerewe.
Immediate family allowed.
Kereka ari ibintu byihutirwa famiye ikenewe.
Can I give this to her?
Ibi nabimuhereza.
Could you?
Nta kibazo.
That'd be great.
Ntacyo bitwaye rwose bimera umwana. Agapenu turabo.
This to her after her MRI?
Umva ukamuhereza nava muri MRI banze gupima ubwonko. Kumucisha mu cyuma. Abanza kureba ecology. Aremeza. Kana bagaha indabyo. Nagape. Mwana ashyira ko yagasinziriye isamuza hejuru. ese yagiye kwiba ngo arebe ko yatabara umwana we nabyo byanze. Kumbe uncle wako ni Willy. Ati Uncle Willis aragukunda. Familia ni ibisambo. Yewe.
I'm gonna get you out of here soon.
Sheri ndaza gukurana vuba.
Have you been these days anyway?
Wari umaze iminsi uriye papa.
Why are you dressed like that?
Kuki wambaye gutyo papa? Kuki wambaye imyenda y'abakozi ba hano?
I don't want to know.
Sinshaka kubimenya kwanza. Ntugire ikibazo akana karakorora. Arakorora. Uruhu rwarangiritse. Nimba karwaye iki? Kure yagutse umwana atangiye kujya akorora amaraso. Ntago ameze neza. Agahabizu. Ndaza kugaruka mwana wanjye. Sawa papa. Ntibwatinze. Uyavayo yitonze. Arangije.
Call for a ride?
Witeguye ko tugenda? Kumbe kazanda ko yakizeye.
Gotcha.
Ndagufite mwana. Reka tuve hano. Baratangira. Kazanda yibuke se bakazanda ngo yaramufashije ari muri gereza niyo mpamvu aragakunda.
I never trusted those guys.
Mane sinigeze nizera abari basenze kuvana mbere. Kira imyenda yawe.
You think Jack and Veronica are in on it?
Warakeka Jack na Veronica bafite mu ruhare?
Is there something we can do in the blockchain?
Hari ikintu wabikora mwana?
Get the transaction reversed or get...
Nta kindi mbere na mbere nabanza nanjye ni maraburize byanga byakuntu uko byagenda kose nabanza muhune n'umukire twumvikane.
All of it.
Byanga byakuntu ibyo bakoze biraza kubagaruka. Mu bantu bose yimanye nabo.
Great deal on Amazon.
Kandi ugakubitisha umuriro uraza kugakenera. Nta yindi ntwara afite aho hafi. Meze nabi urutugu ruramurya amasaha 3 ni menshi mu rutugu rumwe.
Damn.
Mwanda.
It's pretty bad.
Mwana meze nabi kabisa.
I need you to go back to the hospital. Keep an eye out.
Ndashaka kuze gusubira ku ivuriro komeza uncugira umwana wanjye. Niye nangira kubakora amakazi bashobora kumukurikirana Emma. Mukobwa we. No kubahera ruhande. Tugaruka hakuno sasa kuri police.
The robbery on the cloud.
Sasa police bagiye.
The onset hard drives are destroyed.
Ikintu bakoze nta kintu babanje kwiba hard drive za ziriya nuza ziriya banke bibyemo.
What time is this?
Am hard disk yandi basubije muri
Who's that?
Central room nandi mashyashya banzukuru hakuno.
And the robbery starts.
Aho no bujubara bwatangiriye.
2:30, right around.
Ati 30 nibwo batangiye.
Nothing.
Nta kindi tubona.
It's a fake feed.
Yep.
Kumva amakuru ari na ya fake.
That's the cut point.
Iriya niyo modoka yonyine itigeze ihinduka.
Where the robbery starts.
Aha no buzaba bwatangiriye.
The feed as it uploaded to the cloud.
Uko bigaragara abaturage ntabwo bigeze bahinduka muri bank n'ibiri hanze nta cyahindutse sibyo ko amadiski yarari muri bank niyo bahinduye mu mashini ya bank.
This ain't no smash and grab. They're pros.
Abasenze n'abahanga.
Any other footage from outside the business?
Nta yindi footage baba bafashe cyane mashusho. Hari imodoka imwe yari ihari.
There it is.
Ngiri hariye.
Any plates?
Plaque yayo
Those were only a partial.
ntabwo zagaragaye neza.
Call us when something comes in.
Ukomeze uduhamagare nagira icyo ubona.
Those safety deposit boxes.
Ubundi dushaka n'izo deposit boxes ba nyirazo ni bande. Ya makarito yebwe muri banka imwe yari irimo briefcase barashaka ba nyiri ari ya makarito bamenye ngo ni bande. Naho babakurikirane. Bwatinze yoza hakuno. Bamaze kwiba intebe baherewe no nyarunyiri umupangu. Icyo nshaka nta kindi briefcase yiwe. Kureba hano dore cya Willis kiri umunaki cyagambanye n'abandi basambu kujya bamurya ibiceri. Ndaguheraho tu. Aho gikorera hazi Willis avayo gitonze. Faranga ryabonetse bose babyimiye. Uwo modoka hakuno. Rukiraho tangira imodoka yitonze. bya kokayine nibyo bikururira no gusinifinga kokayine kunyuza amazuru vuba vuba aye mukanya zirakora akira wa mukubitisha umuriro mukuru we mwenyewe Gibson iri he nta nubwo ashaka kubica ashaka briefcase ndashaka briefcase yanjye wa muswabe yibaze Jack wa mugabo wagutwaye umugore niwe ufite briefcase ari hirya gapana ndavuga Jack ari he nawe nta numwe ashaka kimutoneka bamwe bamurashe mu kuboko ndavuga Jack ari he where is he cyanga kuvuga arakiniga yaje kubitisha umuriro nta mbaraga cyasuye n'umwana no mujinya yifitiye cyagiye kwa muganga gisanga yakana kigasigira ipe n'indabyo shaka no kunyicira umwana ni mwanyujwe n'ibyo mwakoze wa musenzi we yiyeza umwuka araniga fata ingoto aracyarwana gapupe wahaye n'umwana wanjye kanze nkwereke tazongera gutekereza no kwegera umwana wanjye uranyumva musenzi wa sasa muheza umwuka mu kanwa ingoto yayikanze buri yewe uyu ko bakamuhejeje umwuka Willis baramwivugana muri bangahe hasigaye bangahe wa mbere aciyo amaze kumwivugana mwandasye kimukanza aho bamurashe hose mu gutoneka zero caho yitonze nta bandi ritagira amabandi bakorana aza hakuno mugoroba umwe Nick
how you doing?
Mr. One
You know.
Razi
Oh shit. That doesn't look good.
Nsango ntameze neza
I'm not doing that sort of stuff.
Mwana nago nakora ibyo ukundi maso yanjye nameze neza nago bikora aye faranga ari kubisaroro tujye mindani murebere akazi karanze yishingira akavuriro ka magendu
Have you sit right there.
inzu imodoka nicyo cyumba niyo saro byose bibera ahantu hamwe
This my bag over here.
baganye kirani ya first aid butabazi bw'ibanze
This will work.
kuramo agapira
Yep, it's clean.
reka manze matunganye ibintu byose ndeburiyaje
All right. Let's see.
katurebe bikurikira
All right, looks like you got 2 wounds.
sanga afite ibikomere bibiri
All right. Looks like you had a collision with some lead.
Yeah, you could say that.
hakuno sasa ibikomere ni bitatu mu mugongo kimwe mu kuboko habiri
Come undone. You're losing a lot of blood back here.
banza kure igipfuko kwa muganga wari amushizeho
Okay. I'm gonna have to
mbere na mbere
this up.
ngomba kubanza nkoza
See what I'm doing back here.
uraribwa gato ariko nta birenze
Fuck you.
gukuraho za mikorobe
All right, let me see if I have a clean needle here.
kabanze ne ko mfite urushinge rusa neza
Despite with the state of
mangana nta kibazo mwana
I am a very capable physician.
ni umuganga yabigize umwuga wangu
I don't have anything really for pain. I got this.
uburibwe rwose yangana nagwa painkillers ibinini bigabanya uburibwe
You ready? This is gonna hurt because this is the first poke.
wihangane ngiye kubaza ko niko kambere ngiye gucisha mu rushinge aradodoye agashinyiriza ihangane bose nama bandi cyabuza akazi kubera ububandi
For some pain. Right here.
kira hakuno
Use only as directed.
ibyo binini bikoresha nko nkubwiye
Oh, then
ko bisa nkaho bishaje se byataye n'igihe
work.
biracyakora
They work pretty good for me.
ngiye birankorera rero
Just want to finish that beer. You want one?
yari byeri yanjye nari ntangiye akiriye imaniza ibinini nta mazi dufite muri iyi nzu ndebera umuganga uri aha polisi sasa ntibwatinze mu gitondo kanangaza hakuno baraye bamuhanduye amasasu ariko arakiyagazeho hari aho yabyukiye sasa Gibson nawe akunda iborozi ntago ava ku izima bamwibye ntarakirekana bahiga gace gace ukubica umugenda umwe uyu munsi undejo bundi paka bashize.
Can I help you?
Nagufasha.
Mr. Gibson for Mr. Cameron.
Umva nitwa Gibson ndashaka umugabo witwa Mr. Cameron.
I have some information for him.
Mfite amakuru ye akeneye. Ajyanye n'iki? Ntari ibintu biyibwe muri iyi minsi. Sasa yere ukuru amwavoka kugira ngo amugeze ku mukire. Hari bora biyibwe avoka arimo arakurikirana nzahiri. Ya briefcase yarimo ama disk deal. Hard disk. Sawa.
Follow me.
Nkurikira. Kurikira agakobwa yere kumwavoka. Ondoka. Aje kwiyunga nabo yibye kugira ngo afate nawe abamugambaniye.
Right, well,
sawa na
kind of hoping that we can help each other.
Ndachekanya nawe twafatanya tugafashanya.
I have information about that item.
Mfite amakuru yari ya bore yatwawe.
Stolen from one of your clients.
Yibwe n'umwe mbakiriya banyu. Nako yibwe umukiriya wawe.
To be presented directly to Mr. Valenti.
Ndashaka wowe umuzanira kuba Valentine.
My client list is strictly confidential, Mr. Gibson.
Yumva uriya no umukiriya wanje ku ruhande ntanubwo ari umukiriya rusange kandi ikindi ntanubwo napfa guhuza nawe.
Even if I had a client with that name, I wouldn't discuss it with you.
Umva akaba nubwo nafite umukiriya witwe gutyo nta kintu twavugana nje nawe hagati yawe nje nawe.
Okay.
Sawa.
Okay. Never mind then.
Ntobigire ikibazo, never mind. Sawa kandi ndashimye. Umukiriya wuyu niwe wibwe. Umwavoka nagomba kubibazwa.
I really hope that what I have to say does not reach Mr. Valenti from someone else, you know.
Umva byana nje kukubwira nashaka nyakuba Valenti atazabibwirwa nundi. Kandi urakoze.
All right, wait.
Sabrets.
Close the door.
Kinga umuryango garuke.
I don't know who you think you are, what game you're playing at.
Sinzi ucyakuri ariko sinzi umukino kina.
But be at this address. Call this number in 1 hour.
Ngwaya address.
For the instructions.
Ukurikiza amabwiriza hamagara iyi nimero nyuma y'isa ujya aho hantu mubwiye.
Careful, Mr. Gibson.
Kandi witonde nyakuba Gibson. Ube karifuru. Witonde, be careful. Sandaza kuba karifuru ntacyo bitwaye. Bamubwiye guhamagara nyuma y'isaha. Na warangije. GMC. Modoka z'abagaga. Fani nizagendamo bashinzwe iperereza. Kwa ebyiri. Kananga uko yakaje. Kwa bamwavoka yasohotse binjira police. Webukana bagweke kwa muganga ngo sinzi uwanda sikumbe yarasukuna bigenzi bye. Nawe aracyakekwa. Yinjira muri stanseri. Hakuno. Police umwavoka bahaye gahunda.
More progress in recovering our property.
The investigation is developing.
Umba invitike turacyari kwiperereza.
How are you related to the item?
Basasa icyabi byabuze ubizihi iki?
My firm represents the holding company that owns it. They operate outside the US and we're registered to act as their agent here. So
Sasa bari baratubaza ntabandi ni US Marine nabandi bagiye batandukanye ariko nyiri yo boro nanye ari marayimaza nk'umwavoka naba munyeneye ko tudiringa ibyo mumenya byose mumenyeshe kugira bamenye buryo tubikurikirana.
when we learned of the loss, we reported it as their agent.
Nkaba agent mugomba kumbwira ibyo mumenye byose nkandanye ngamenya uburyo nkomeza gukurikirana ikirego.
And what's the holding company again?
Argent company twinguki? Argent International.
Have you heard of it?
Mwegeze muyumva cyane.
Probably read a recent write-up in the Wall Street Journal.
Actually, no.
Mwamuzi umuntu ari kwa muganga warashwe unatu cyane.
I saw Interpol reports on front companies from mob families.
Umva ari company nyinshi zikomeye zagiye zihomba zibwe n'imiryango yazo.
You must have confused Argenti with some other less reputable company.
Nyembwira ibintu bidahura ndababwira namwe mu makuru kujya nayo dufatanye.
I assure you.
Tugaruka hakuno.
Something you want to tell us?
Nyakuba Gibson watubwira icyo ashaka kutubwira.
Where is Mr. Valenti?
Ndashaka Nyakuba Valenti.
You believe this guy?
Uyu muntu wamwizera? Oya.
Tell you something, wise ass.
Kankubwira amuswa.
The reason you're not spitting out your teeth right now
Uzima muri mavuga amenya ataravamo.
is I was told to listen to what you had to say.
Twagabaye twumva ibyo akabaye wavuze kare mbere na mbere niyo mpamvu amenya ataravamo.
You don't talk to Mr. Valenti.
Ntago wapfa kuvugana na Nyakuba Valenti.
So you better start telling me something I want to hear.
ahubwo mbwira ibyo nkeneye kumva.
I want Mr. Valenti to know.
Ndashaka nyakubahwa Valenti.
You robbed him and that I can get it back.
Ndashaka amenye ko yibwe nyuma yo kumenya ko yibwe. Mumenyesha yuko namugarura ibyo yibwe.
Don't mess with me, jackass.
Utanyenisha wa muswa we. Wa musenze tubwire uninde wibye.
I want to hear it for myself.
Reka niyumvire kwanza umukira vayo. Valenti. Nyiri kwibwa. Kananga hakuno Gibson.
Valenti, I can get you your case that was stolen from the bank.
Nyakuba Valenti nakugarira varisi yawe yibwe muri bank. Case yawe. Gute?
I was in on the robbery.
Mubi mwakwibye naye narindimu. Hey.
Tell me why I shouldn't drop you here right now.
Niki atuma mwizera? Cyazatuma nakuna gahanze.
Okay.
Sawa.
The assistant bank manager, he was in on it.
Ati abantu bagufashije kugira ngo wibwe. Na assistant bank manager nawe yarabirimo. Uwungirije manager wa bank.
And that's how they knew it was there.
Niko twamenye yuko iriya briefcase yawe yarimo indani.
Now he's dead.
Yarapfuye twaramwirasiye.
I know who has it.
Ariko tuzi ufite briefcase yawe ndamuzi.
Really?
Sawa.
Because they tried to kill me too.
Nanjye bagerageje kunyica.
So I see. You need protection.
Nawe ukeneye uburinzi rero.
Mr. Valenti,
Nyakuba Valenti,
that you have this property well insured.
Ndabikwirije yuko umutungo wawe nakugarurira.
And if so,
kubw'ibyo rero,
you are positioned right now to collect on that.
Wowe nyizera kandi nabigufashamo.
What if you could get the insurance money and the case?
Amafaranga ya assurance yawe ukayasubizwa kandi na case yawe ukayibona.
I mean that's when.
Bijya mvuga nako kuri.
And I'm the only one who can get it back for you.
Kandi njye nyina nakugarurira briefcase yawe.
And if you don't succeed,
none notayingarurira,
you still collect the insurance money.
Amafaranga ya assurance bank zakwishyura ko wibwe muri bank yawe.
So I'm sitting here wondering, why don't I have Pete here just break your fingers one by one?
Barakuvuna intoki utangira kumbwira ubwo gitambwira ingingo ifatika.
Because I can get it back for you.
Naye kugarurira kandi binyoroheye. Nyifite intoki zanjye zose.
You got some balls on you.
Manzo ufite intoki zikomeye kabisa.
You screw with us and I will feed them to you. Do you understand me?
Nzazihimbwa kandi nuzana ubugoryi nk'ubwo.
Look, I need your guys' help.
Ndashaka ubufasha bwanyu. Nta kindi. Hanyuma.
Let me see if I get this straight.
Reka nsobanukirwe neza.
Steal from me, they steal from you, and now you want to steal back from them so you can give it to me?
Waranyibye. Nyuma yo kunyuma naye barakwiba none urashaka abakwibye. Bangarura ibyanjye. N'icyabi tuma nizera yuko udaho utari bungambanire. Yitonze.
A procedure.
Reba icyo twaheraho. Ndashaka kuvuza umwana wanjye w'umukobwa. Ararwaye ameze nabi.
You want what's coming to you?
None 15% of about 4 million.
Urama 15 kuri miliyoni enye. 500 gusa. Cyane.
Let her die.
Sinshaka umwana wanjye apfa. Hanyuma nkuzanire boro yawe nawe ive mu nzira.
At ease, boys.
Bamutoze basore. Ndashaka gutabara umwana wanjye nkakuzanira ibyawe.
That's a lot of Eric Thompsons.
26 in Nevada State.
Hakuno sasa nabe perezida aracyakomeje baracyakuri ku makamera.
Forgery.
What's good? Does he have an ID?
Baciye kinini. Banke zitibwa n'izibwe. Abantu bagiye bafungwa.
Thompson.
Eric Thompson.
None of us could get a match either.
Twamukurikirana umukobwa.
Clean. Been driving there 6 months, just like he said.
Nkuko yabivuze yaciye amezi 6.
Square one.
Ikirego hano kiragaragara.
This ain't working. Let's get everyone together. We gotta try something different.
Umva dufata abantu bose bagiye ahantu hatandukanye buri ubenya makuru ayazane hano tuyahuriza hamwe dore ko aricyo twabona.
We need to cast a wider net here, all right? I want to pull every assault with a deadly weapon record.
Ndashaka ahantu hose twaba twarabonye intwaro idasanzwe yakoreshejwe cyangwa se ubujano bwagiye bahatandukanye mu mezi 6 ashize.
Snickers bar shoplifted in the state of Nevada.
Hano muri Nevada hose turimo turibaza. Banka ziri muri Nevada zose.
Then we need to pull the vacation or sick days of every employee.
Ndashaka buri mukozi wese wakoraga muri banka warwaye byose record zose tuzikurikirane. Ne wahawe vacation akaruhuko.
Unions, construction companies or whatever company.
Either the construction companies. Turebe ibitaro byagiye byakira abantu bagiye batandukanye.
Cross-reference those together for the date of the robbery.
Turebe nabagiye mu bitaro nyuma yo kwibwa. Kandi abantu bagiye mu bitaro harimo umusore Gibson wibye.
Anyone gets a hit.
Buri bitaro byose mugere mubaza ati abaje kwivuza ni bande? Aho twabihera tumenya iri bande ni irihe. niyo gahunda nta yindi hakuno. Uyu yamenya yuko umu egisi we uyu mugabo usigaye ari umugabo we ari wamugambaniye kandi bose bari muri deal yo kwiba. Bivuze ngo umu egisi we ari Gibson ntiyamwizera azi yuko umudamu nawe yabigizemo uruhare.
What's with you guys not following simple instructions?
Ase ni mkikibazo cyo mudakurikiza amabwiriza.
Jack Willis is dead.
Jack Willis yapfuye. Iyekangamo ni Randy Kutcher.
Where?
Ngo yapfiriye he? Mudamu arumva.
How did it happen?
Byagenze bite?
You talked to any cops?
Wafunganye na polisi?
Where's the case?
None briefcase iri he?
Has it at his place.
Jerry yayitwaye uke Jerry namubwiye ati aho kugira ngo nyiguye napfa turagabana senkane uramugabane wande wa Gibson. Jerry nawe acikanye case.
And don't go back.
Ntusubireyo utanazana ubugoryi.
They will tie Willis to you.
Byose birakugarukaho.
Dump this phone and get a new number and call me.
Umva tiyo telefoni ahubwo ushaka n'ibintu cyose bari uzajya umamagaza.
What's going on?
Nebiki bijya mbere mudamu arabyuka.
Willis is dead.
Willis yapfuye.
How?
Ngo gute? Na ubizi. Basenzi bafite ubwugu muri bo.
Willis was a stupid junkie, he always has been. One less dumbass to deal with.
Abasenzi n'ubu nabajya kubizera nacyo ni ikindi kibazo. Sheri.
Where you going?
Ugiye?
I gotta go to work.
Ngomba kujya ku kazi bafite gym hakuno bakoreramo. Mudamu niyakoramo. Hebwatinze. Iyo amaye umushoferi bagomba kubana paka.
How long you been in this line of work?
Akazi wagatangiye kingana iki? Kamaze igihe kingana iki? Umuzinzi kira hakuno. Uraza kuyikenera. Agiye kubahera ruhande buruwazi address ahatuye.
Hey, Xander.
Bite Zanda.
What's going on?
Bikijya mbere.
Yeah, okay.
Sawa sabo. Kazana nika gahaka kiwe. Niko yagwe nkajya gacunga umwana we. Kira hakuno igiporezo. Cyana naho kuno burisho.
How's she doing? She's hungry.
Mwana meza tarashonje nta kindi.
I appreciate you doing this.
Umva nagushinye kuri muramfasha. Webuke se wakaza ndani wamufashije muri gereza kugira ngo acike.
I need that.
Ushobora kugenda nako mu nyuma. Ko barisha uduti ni gutya.
You do the twist.
Twist?
Urabanza ugatwisting ukazengurutsa.
Oh my God. Not light? She's not allowed visitors. I'm sorry.
Umva naba rwose n'abantu bemereye kumusura. Akana kageze gucika kabona nyina.
It's okay.
Yabeshye umugabo we. Jack yuko agiye kujya kuri gym ahurira n'umugabo we wa mbere mu bitaro. Bane bacana wako umugabo azi yuko ko Jack yamugambane asigaye ari umugabo w'uyu mugore n'umugore agomba kuba afite mu ruhare.
You dating my dad again or what?
Awe na papa musigaye mwumvikana se cyangwa bana abazungu nabitinda bo muracyateretana cyangwa mwarashwanye completely.
I don't see a little bit, okay?
She's
not. Nana ndaza kubona mu nyuma. Agiye guca muri MRI araza kugaruka. Musigare muganira. Saza umugabo none umugore basigaye bazirana urunuka. Ikigabo cyo bafitanye babanyubu nicyo cyamugambaniye.
Bet you're here a lot.
Kunda kuza hano.
Any news on Emma's progress?
Waba ugiye kumama kuri yo Emma ameze muri iyi minsi.
Why are you here?
Kuki uri hano?
Look, I didn't know. I'm glad you're okay.
Imana ishimwe ntabwo wari bize ariko nshimwe kuri muzima.
Boyfriend know that you're here?
Boyfriend wawe yabaze kuri hano?
No.
Oya.
Where are my drives?
Ubundi se za disk dire ziri drives zanjye. Hard drive. Disk zanjye ziri. Avana agapapuro. Ameze nabi.
What's this?
Biniki.
It's what you want.
Bino byo shaka. Kira hakuno. Mwandikira address. Yitonze.
And how do I know that's not a setup?
wasanga sara agatego nawe menyane.
I didn't mean for any of this to happen.
Gomba kunyizera nawe ntabwo mbizera. Nawe nakwizera nte?
What is wrong?
Kibazo kimfite?
Your boyfriend tried
Sheri wawe yarangamane bandasa amasaso ane mu rutugu na gatatu. None ngo mwizere.
Veronica, wait.
Veronica. Akuno. Police nera cyari mu iperereza.
What do you got? You know the dead guy we found in the car?
Barebe kumutwaza mu modoka.
Willis, the medical examiner, just finished with this guy. Check it out.
Twagiye gukora autopsy ku murango wa Bob Willis.
Heart attack.
Yagize ikibazo cy'umutima. Yamwe bijya gukora overdose. Yamwe cocaine iramurenga. System itangira kora yiruka ngo amaraso yari yashyushye cyane. Ariko nawe mbese nka yahamagaye kwa muganga umunsi wo kwiba.
Bobby Willis.
Bobby Willis.
I know that name.
Yigeze ndarizi.
Robberies, one of them was an armored truck.
Yari afite imodoka yari Amadi.
So listen, toxicology report's gonna take a few days, but they found he had a crushed trachea.
Byanga byakunda afite n'ikibazo cya trachea. Kimuhumekero mu muhogo.
Now what?
None gikurikira.
We see if Willis was involved in the robbery.
Byanga byakunda Bobby Willis nawe ari mbibye.
Associates check up and
ahubwo dushaka abandi bari bashuti bana dukomeza gukora iperereza. Jerry Foster nawe bari inshuti bakunda kugendana.
Says he and Willis did a stint together. Got
babaga bari kumwe kenshi no kazi ka Bobby Willis.
The PO officer also says that Foster's been seeing a dancer that goes by.
Kuva habaho kwiba dukeneye Foster, dukeneye Bobby Willis, dukeneye Jerry Willis yanacishene.
Kenwood.
Tujye kuri Kenwood aho bakoreraga.
Let's go.
Reka tugende. Kenwood umwana 1515 nako 19. Kumbe hano haraho bahaye address. Wa mugore Veronica.
If this is what I think it is.
Ndakeka yari anatuye. Dukomeze imbere. Harimo Foster, Jerry, Jaka, Gibson, Veronica. Uwa mbere we yapfuye acisheni. Baza mu rugo kwa cha Foster. Dotinyuma. Ikizu nimba ari stock. Nimba ari nzu yo kubamo. Nimba ari banaga ibintu bishaje. Bati inyuma mu gikari ntihafunze. Ibintu birimo birashaje. Bagiye kumva mva rucuranga. Baciye ibikari. Ni ikizu wajyana isari kirahurutuye binikira. Imyenda muri koridoro. Imbaraga radio kicuranga. Ibi televiziyo bya zamani. Kugira gutya. Jerry woni wawe kumba harimo n'umukecuru ukuze. Yibereye kuri katuni. Nagacayi. Mukecuru winja uko kuranika imyaka isubira ibwana. Yibereye kuri katuni yishimye. Ho mubwira makuru. Ho mubaze ngo igihugu kigeze reka da. Bakomeza hakuno. Icyo bashaka ni ya briefcase irimo za hard drive.
Are you kidding me?
None mwanyinisha wana. Simbizi. Kugira gutya. Basenzi n'abavandimwe. Jerry na cha Foster. Bakiraho. Shika. Jerry ni wawe.
It's okay, Miss Foster. Just me.
Ego mchecho Foster. Njewe.
You son of...
Baye wana cha Foster. Kiratanya kiracika. Kibasanze mu nzu. Nganda bana. Cheza hakuno uyu ni anasimbuka gapangu. Bamurashe mu kaboko nakuno yazamuka. Utisha amaso. Cyagwe sasa kiratsikira. Aha kanzenguruke nitonze.
Stay where you are.
Guma aho uri. Ahava. Uyu no mujinya. Bastard mwabasenzi mwe twiba hamwe. Mugatwara boro mwenyine. Abanza kukigirizaho ngana. Aginga sana.
Somewhere to take him?
Ufitaho kumujyana cyangwa tumujyana handi?
I have some questions.
Ntabwo mfite byinshi byo kumubaza.
I know a place.
Hanzaho twamujyana. Kombe hakuno fandi. Uko ari babiri. Barashaka Jerry Foster uko bagendanaga nande n'umugenzi Willis Bobby. Barakomanga.
What can I do for you?
Na bafashe iki?
We're wondering if Jerry Foster's here.
Jerry Foster yabari hano.
He ain't been around for a few days.
Maze iminsi ahari.
Okay. Does he live here?
Aba hano se?
Comes and goes.
Araza akagenda.
Okay.
Sawa.
Anything about any of his friends?
Hari icyo twashaka kumbaza bijyanye n'inshuti ye. Twakwinjira.
Take a look around.
Twakwinjira tukarebamo indani. Mufite mandadare oya.
Calls.
Cyangwa cya leta cyemera kwinjira.
Work with us a little bit.
Only guy I know of is someone named Sullivan.
Umuntu uzi bakunda kugendana witwa Sullivan.
His mother's house somewhere on Durango Terrace.
Akenshi bari kumwe nande na ma Jerry.
Talk much when he's here.
Ariko maze iminsi atanagera hano.
Thank you. We appreciate it.
Urakoze turabishimye nabyo.
Thank you.
Sam murakoze.
Okay, call Reed. Have her check on that Durango Terrace address.
Address aduhaye nizo tugomba gukurikiza nta kindi gikurikira. Kumbura uko bakaruzanye.
Hey!
Yewe.
What the hell?
Bichi bijya mbere wana?
Hey.
Yewe.
Hey. Where are you meeting Jack?
What are you talking about?
Uravuga ibiki?
Where's my goddamn briefcase?
Ndavuze ngo briefcase yangiriye. Varis.
Screw you.
Kerya gapando kiramutuka. Okay.
Can I try?
Nagerageza nkamuvugisha.
Who's this?
Ntacyo nindira. Sheri wawe kiramutuka.
Find out.
Azana fera beto. Ubi TV. Ayiwe. Uravuga tu. Yanze kuvuga arimo aratukana. Turakubaza ugatukana.
I'm looking at a dead man right now.
Ndimo ndabareba nk'imirambo imbere yanjye nona. Fera beto y'isura. Umugabo urana umutindishaho. Nta kukubaza kabiri.
No.
Oya. Kanze ibihano biracyahari. Don't worry. Ufunga umunwa nawe uhanwa cyane. Arangije yitonze. Kuramo igisogisi. Wanze kuvuga. Azana umwe bukate nsinga bwa fe. Avuna kano. Uravuga ku ngufu. Arakanda aragakata umugabo ntambabaza. Sawa nababwira. Vugas. Uroinja twinginga.
I don't know where he is.
Ntago nzahana ari.
Really?
Nuko kuri kandi.
Really? I don't.
Ntago mbizi.
I don't know where he is.
Ntago nzahana ari.
Really?
Niko kuri. Icyo nacyago cyagukase neza. Kamanze nkatuye umupira. Uramenya aho aherereye.
What the hell is this?
Genikira.
Shit just got real.
Bigiye kubana ibya seriye. Iburyo n'ibumoso hombi. Mukanya uravuga neza. Ndumva ntago ndi buhagarare pa kumbwira nsanga Jack.
And how far we go is up to you.
Turakomeza paka. Ni wowe bwitemo natuguturekera. Biri mu biganza byawe. Kiraho switch umuriro. Urura gikoma. Urutenga mangana ngahe. Sawa. Kare kose.
Freeport Casino.
Mubwira ari kuri Freeport Casino. Yeah.
Atta boy.
Sawa tuzasubira. umurenzi urara nta miyaga.
Good work.
Kazi keza. Kumbe nako yagatashye. Avuye kure umugabo mukuru. Jim yaremeze iti niyo bakoramo.
My gym is fine.
Jim yanjye imeze neza. Banda cyageze giswana ariyo. Waruri.
I was.
No, I don't.
Aho narindi.
At the gym.
Nari biskutari kuri gym. Nari mbizi neza.
I don't care.
Simbyitaho.
I know you have feelings for him.
Ndabizo cyane mufite ibyiyumviro.
I care that he's alive.
Icyo nitaho nuko ari muzima. Ibindi ntago mwitaho rwose.
What the hell, Jack?
Jack, abone yabi nibiki? Tuza.
When he calmed down,
Kucyo mwango ntuze.
try to take out my friend. You gonna take me out too, huh?
Watumye nza muri akazi inshuti zantangiye kuzitana. Umva, funga umunwa.
Took it, so what? What's the difference between people like you and people like me?
Gari tandukana hagati yawe n'abantu nkawe kimwe n'abantu nkanje. Mva nduwo gutsinda.
Coke?
Ushaka kokayine? Tangiye gushira mutangiye kugira krize. Ushaka kokayine nyinshi? Ayo ma withdrawal yawe izo kirizo ufite za kokayine ndazikumaramo wena hano se nyine. Baburetse ayigamije amazuru nyinshi. Ajya kureba umu egisi wawe. Mwaratendanye mwaratandukanye. Ugomba witware neza. Twari twumvikanye. Hano wananyishu. Bamushaka. Ushaka kuba ubuzima bw'abakeneye. Muryango uri hariya. Ujye uvuga kandi weruye. Sanga umu egisi wawe. Jya kubana n'abatindi. Byo ni ibikureba. Sasa hakuno. Polisi ayigeze hose bagerayo. Kumviriza bumva. Ninzi ishaje.
Police.
Police. Hano ibera umukecuru yihorera kuri katuni. Ni umukecuru ushaje. Bakiraho. Cyagera kirimo indani. Kirasa na polisi. Kiratangira. Barasa kuji. Yo.
Come on, Jerry. We got the place surrounded.
Umva dufite polisi azengurutse hano Jerry. Jerry ni wawe mukecuru amatwi nayo yarapfuye kubera gusaza.
Jerry?
Jerry. Gushikano. Cyaciye mu idirishya kare. Yacomotse nk'ejo. Sawa sawa. Hakunino. Jack nawe yaciye ukwe. Mfite kakufure foro mu rugo. Disk zimwe nizo zifite. Fata ibiceri bye pinda. Yari yumvikanye na Jerry aho bahurira. Vanayo ka hard drive kamwe disk deal. External.
You get my text about the drop?
Yeah, I'll be there.
Na wabonye message nakwandikiye aho tuhure na tunabonye. Utabyangiza tugurane ngo amafaranga yawe nawe mereze briefcase. Sawa. Ibwatinze. Amafaranga yapakiye. Avayo. Masaka goroba. Naye ku muhanda cyategereje. Kiraho ndani mu modoka. polisi nayo
Taking that stuff. That's
ibyo bintu bitwaye he
Bring that back here.
mugarure ibintu byanjye ndahamagara polisi mukecuru nazwe nawe muri imbere ni polisi kutiga si ingeso
We are the police. You're okay.
umva mukecuru humura sheri biragenda neza nitwe wa polisi
Look after it.
bagusangana akantu k'umuringanire waba utarakibyo bazi ko banki ibika ibintu byinshi amadiyama korota zahabu.
Before you ask, it's a cell phone number. Belongs to a Jerry Foster.
Iyi ni phone number ya Jerry Foster.
That's for you.
Aka ni akawe mukomeze nawe muyigerageze iciyemo mwayitrakinga mukamenya ahantu aherereye. Kumbe yari abaje kugura ahantu yazanye amafaranga bamuhe briefcase byanga byakunda ifite agaciro kurusha $500 by'idolari. Veronica bene gukorera ku gitugu.
Come over here.
Ye pareka ari imbere. Bwatinze zana briefcase. Masaha y'akajorojoro arasesera. Bose nta mabandi nta wizera undi kandi ntagazi niyo baje guhurira yari ahoze kera. Abana Jack n'umugore we Veronica nabo barasohoka mu modoka. Uruzu rushaje ajya mu warehouse. Ndani abandi ryize ririndi uwa mbere baramurashe Willis nawe ahita akurikira arapfa. Abandi baracyaza.
Yep. What do you got?
Ubonye iki?
Yeah, of course I know where that is. We're on our way. Send for backup. We may need it.
Umva mwohereza ubufasha dushaka kuza kubukenera.
Let's go.
Nimero mukomeza mu tracking ya Jerry. Uyu ni umugore na briefcase yabo nako n'amafaranga. Upore bifizibure zose abona haratse.
Somebody must have paid the bill.
Kumbe ni yazanye ka briefcase yaciye ahandi. Bitonze byakayikurayo kugera aha kigenzi cyabo cyatanze aderese nacyo bagihambiriye hano baje bakenagaho. Sasa kana agatego kugira gutya
Dad?
yapfuye.
Still a pulse.
Amona saracyatera. Masasu. Sasa.
What the hell did you do to him, Jack?
We mukare biki Jack. Kizwe mugenzi wabo ari na Jack muhitanye nawe. Nibazi kana agatego.
One by one.
Chaka kuduhitana umwe kuwundi.
Jerry.
Uravuga biki Jerry?
You and that stupid whore do this?
Urimo akora bi.
You guys are the ones that got greedy. This wasn't us.
Umva nimwe mwagize ubugugu nagari twebwe. Mararasana.
What are you talking about? Then who did?
Ninde abikoze niba atari mwebwe? Jerry arayamanika. Bose bari kwitana ba mwana nimwe mwagambanye abandi nimwe mufite ubugugu.
Where's the money?
Amafaranga ari.
Okay, easy.
sawa sawa genda gake amafaranga ari hano hafi kumvikana mereza case mbona amafaranga yawe ngwe briefcase shyira hasi shaka ibindi birenze abanza kurasa genzi cye igenda gake yenda gake faya bahita bamuhereza mu gituza cy'imanura gato ndakubwiye nta mujura wizera undi Jack ibyo yashaka bigezeho arya amafaranga na briefcase agenda arya nandi kuramo neza na hadi disk bari bamuhaye nayishyira mu ya disk deal bajya mu rutugu naraswa kumbe Gibson nawe araho hafi Nick Gibson nawe yiziye
Drop the gun, Jack.
Shiri mu nasi Jack.
Oh, we make a nice threesome.
Umva turi batatu twagabana. Ubutatu. Uramukunda? Arasaga kobwa. Kigiheru cyana cyo baragiye. Oya.
Hang on.
Veroni. Ihangane. Mwana ariko agamubwira ngo asubirane na nyina byaranze. Ihangane. Gumana nanjye. Teguka bagiye mu mugongo.
What took you so long?
Cyagutumjererwa wana. Hangane.
You wanted me to give you this.
Valenti yamwe nkohereza ibyawe. Nibyo umukobwa wawe for your daughter. Buri cyongereza cy'Ikinyarwanda birahura hangono ihangane ni bimwe. Fata briefcase yabo.
You need my help?
Keneye ubufasha bwanjye? Oya. Tuzasubira rero. Mudama aciyeho areba kagasa mugenzi yari yamusigiye muri gym. Tewe gatata we. Police murabizi teka baza birangiye wapfuye yapfuye. Uwacitse yacitse. Nibazuru wapfuye. Barahagera. Bageze aha naye byanga byakunda asubira ishene tu. Sinzi ukuntu hano wasanga imirambo ibiri na kitatu ubwo uvuge ngo urarenga nasi wowe kutari wowe uri muzima kuko atari wowe wapfuye. Fata agakapu ke ca hakuno. Police ndani. Hakuno Zanda nawe aracyari hanze tegereje mushuti kureba neza abona Nick arasohotse Gibson. Akindi gisigaye mugenzi no gutangira arabe ko mugenzi yajya kuvuza kanake.
Yeah, I guess
ari ikirori kabisa.
You remember this guy?
Ndakeka nuko kagenze bayitaga blowback yari Sankalada Premium mwumvaga abagiye mwakoze kuza murabeho n'abakunda cyane ni mucikwizikurikira hasta la vista.